everybody, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the description, I'm going to be unbagging my February Ipsy Glam Bag. Just so you know, Ipsy is a $10 a month subscription. You do get 5 sample deluxe and or full-size products in the bag. And you do get a nice little makeup bag every month. So let's get into it. And as well as last month, I got I added on 3 items, so I'll do those at the end. And here's the card for this month. It's a little bit bigger than last time. And it says on the front, swoon so hard. Isn't that cute? And it's talking about, aside from your 5 personalized picks, let us introduce you to your next beauty crush. Ipsy add-ons. Details on the flip side. Add-ons. More to love. Starting now, in addition to your 5 picks, you can choose any 3 product samples. Anyway, and you get free shipping. They do start at $3. That's for a deluxe size sample. If you want full size, it's $12 for the add-ons, but you can only add on 3 additional products. So let's get into this. I did, as I said, added 3 products, so I'm hoping they're on the outside. Yes, they are. I'll leave them in there. Here's the bag for this month. It's got these nice little lips on it, and this feels kind of like a faux leather. It feels really nice, actually. Bags are getting a little bit nicer, and this has your little Ipsy logo on it. So let's open it up and see what we got in here. First item I've pulled out is Daisy and Pearl. I've never heard that company, but it is in bubble wrap. So I'm wondering if it's an eyeshadow or blush. Come on. There we go. And it says it's by Seraphine Botanicals. A natural radiance booster. A highly pigmented radiance booster formulated with micronized illuminating pigments. Natural daisy flower extract. I love daisies. One of my favorite flowers. Tulips are my actual favorite flower. And jojoba seed oil to add a wash of color and luminosity whilst helping to keep skin hydrated and soft. Directions: gently swirl a blush brush or highlighting brush over the surface, then swipe it onto the high points of your cheekbones, temples, and blend well. It is vegan, gluten-free, and GMO-free, and it is not tested on animals. See, there's the little signs on the back. The ingredients, it does have talc, which for some people is not good. It's got mica in it. Talc, for a lot of people, is very... I can't get it out of the... Can't get it out of here. It's really stuck. Come on, I don't edit my videos, but I'm having a really hard time opening this box. It's like stuck in here. Come on, baby. There we go. It has foil or something wrapped around it inside here. So here's what it looks like. Set that down. This is pretty decent size for a sample. Here's what it looks like. It kind of has this like reddish, brownish color. Let's see what it looks like. It looks very pigmented. Let's put it right here. You can't see it, but it's got a little bit of shine there on my hand, if you can see it right there. I thought it was going to have a little bit of a more like brownish red texture to it, but there's nothing... There's nothing except a little bit of a shine. Can you see it? No. All right, we'll have to try it out. I don't know. It says it's a highlight. I can't get it to highlight. It's It's highlighting on my hand, not that much, so we'll see. All this garbage. The next item in the bag is by Koki Cosmetics. It is Be Bright Illuminating Concealer. It's pretty decent size, and it is in the shade Light, SC762. I'm glad it's in light, so I can actually attempt to use it. It's got a doe foot applicator, so let's put that right next to the highlight. Oh, that's a decent shade. It actually may match me, so let's let this sit here. Let's see if it oxidizes, meaning it changes its color, gets a little bit darker, while I do the rest of this video. Next item that I have in here is a gloss. It is Lip Blur by Belle en Argent, and it's in the shade I Love That Car. Here's the packaging. It's got these flowers and stuff on it. It's got a reflective. It's what the outside looks like, but this shows it as a red. So I am hoping, let's cut this open. I'm hoping it's a nice red, and it's a gloss. So I'm hoping it only has a little blush color. Okay, come on. Why are we having such difficulties getting into these packages? There we go. All right, let's see. What do you got for me? Oh, it's pretty decent. Nice size. Looks pretty elegant. Silver, chromish color. And we open her up. It's got a doe foot applicator. It's kind of runny. Let's try it on. If I can do it right this time and not get it everywhere. Try. Ooh, it's got a lot of color for a gloss. But I like the color. It's got a nice brush of red. Nice. I actually like that. Alright, I like that. I like that shade. Personally, I don't know why they're not calling it a liquid lip as opposed to a gloss, but it does give you a nice shine to it, so maybe that's why they're calling it a gloss. The next item that I have in here is by Eco of London. It's mascara, Lash Alert mascara, Wake Up and Go, and it is in the shade Squeeze Me to Coat the Brush. Give your lashes a lift with a shot of caffeine and a double dose of fibers for instant volume, curl, and definition. Let's open this up and see what we got here. This is the thing here. We open her up. Come on, baby. There's nothing. It's a little curved brush. If you can see it there, it's a little curved brush. It doesn't have a lot of product on it. Yeah. It says to squeeze it to get the product on the brush, so let's do that and see if I can get some product here on the brush. Alright, let's try again. There we go. Now we got product on the brush. See? There we go. And it is a little bit curved, so we'll see what this does. We'll check it out. I don't know what I feel about products that have the fibers in them. They tend to get everywhere and are a little on the wet side. And the last item inside my bag is by Pixie Skin Treats. It's their Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. And I've heard good things about this. I've not tried this product yet, but it's a pretty decent size. You can use this for traveling. That's what I really love about this Ipsy bag. the products inside are the perfect size to take on a vacation or when you're traveling, or just put them in a makeup bag and take them with you in your carry-on. Now I did, as I said, I did get 3 additional items. I bought 2 of the $12 items. They're both brushes. And the other item was a deluxe sample for $3. So for $29 and some change, I got 3 items. The one item that I got here is by It Cosmetics. It's their Heavenly Luxe Flat Top Buffing Foundation Brush. They're number 6. Let me get it out of here. I like that it's coming in this tube. It keeps it from getting smushed. I wish all their other brushes would come like that. And again, I can't get, oh, it's got a thing on it. Oh, Terry. There we go. Put that over there. But it does come in this nice container, so I can keep it in this until a piece of plastic won't get off my hand. Okay, come on. Come on, baby. There we go. I'm talking to things like they're real. This is a really nice brush. It's nice and soft. As it says, it is a foundation brush. You can use liquid with it and buff. I know this is a really good brush. That's why I got it for $12. I believe the full size price, the normal price, is like $48. So for 12 bucks, yeah, girl, we $12, totally worth it. And the other brush that I got was one of those I think it was a Farrah Brushes brush. Let me see. Yes, it is. See, it comes like this. Looks like one of those unicorn brushes. Throw that away. It's another nice and soft brush. You could probably, it's their 50F, meaning it's a face brush. So you could probably use this for a blusher. Or for foundation, maybe. I wouldn't, or for powder. It feels really soft. I love brushes and I love tools. I know I just got a whole bunch of brushes, but this is a Farrah brush. As I said, it's their 50F. I got this for $12 as well. So I'm going to put this back on here to protect the brushes, or the bristles rather, so that they don't get ruined. And the last item I got in here is Touch and Soul No Pore Blem Priming Water. I did just get a full size in Boxy. The reason I got this, I wasn't thinking when I purchased this for $3. I was trying to try it before I got it in my Boxy for this month. My Boxy comes before my Ipsy does, so either this is gonna go into a giveaway for y'all, or maybe my sister will want it. But I do believe this has, let me see, fragrance in it. I have to look more through all the ingredients on this, but it's a really good primer. I've been trying the full size from my Boxy, and I really love the primer. If my sister doesn't want this, I will put this in a giveaway for you guys. So here's what it looks like. It's just a pink tube. And I would open it and show you, but I have the full size, and I don't want to contaminate this if I do put it in the giveaway to you guys. So that is my Ipsy bag for February. I really like my bag this month. I really like the lip gloss, the lip liqueur gloss that I got here from Belle and Argent. Yeah, that didn't dry yet, so, and it didn't oxidize, but there's the concealer right there, and there's I really like this, that I got some more concealer that I can try. I've been trying to find a decent concealer. I do like that Tarte Shape Tape, but I don't know. I need to look into how much the Kokie Professional, how much that actually costs. So I think I got a pretty decent bag this month. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments down below. What did you get in your bag? Did we get the same items? And I do want to thank everybody for being here, watching my channel. And I do thank you all for watching. And please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that you'll get notification every time I upload a new video. So until my next video, which I'm working on a empties for January due to being sick and just being out of town, I've had a hard time getting that video together for you guys. So maybe it'll be a January, February empty video. So anyway, hope you all are having a great evening, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye everybody.